What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do unboxing and review of the FeiyuTech G6 Max right after this. What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name is Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So please, while you're thinking about it, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So let's get right into it. So this is a camera gimbal that I'm going to be using with my Sony a6400. This retails for $249 and I got it from Amazon. So let's get into the box. So we're going to take a quick tour around the box. On the front, you have the FeiyuTech G6 Max. This can be used for action cameras, smartphone, and small mirrorless, or maybe some DSLR cameras, depending on the weight. I think the max weight is about 2.5 pounds. On the side, you have some QR codes. I'm guessing that's gonna help me download the app. Nothing on that side. And then on the back, it has a camera. It looks like the same camera I have, which is the Sony a6400. So you know that camera can be used with this gimbal. So I don't have a knife, so hopefully my nails will be good enough to get into this. Now, if you're not familiar with gimbals, they're pretty much a necessity if you're going for any type of cinematic looking footage. It pretty much eliminates all of the shakiness, if that's a word, in your footage. Stabilizes your footage. So you get this FeiyuTech envelope. Let's see what's in it. It's a quick start guide and some QR codes and a warranty card. Put to the side. So it comes, this is made out of foam actually. Foam box. Open it up and you present it with the gimbal. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's almost the size of, I have the Osmo Pocket. No, not the Osmo Pocket, the Osmo One that you use for your smartphone. It's pretty much about the same size. So it definitely feels premium. This whole arm in the actual spot where you put the phone is made of metal. I think this is plastic, but it's a high quality plastic. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Has this joystick, which I'm assuming is how you pan the camera up and down, left and right. And the dial wheel. We also have a power button, USB Type-C, and camera button. So that must be the shutter button. So let's drop that on the side, see what else comes with it. All right, so in this box we have, let's see. Like it has some cables. Oh, a lot of cables. Oh, and some connectors. So this looks like a GoPro mount. Comes with a GoPro mount. This looks like a cell phone holder. Yeah, this is if you want to use your cell phone. If you're going to be using your cell phone, I probably would recommend you getting the Osmo Mobile. I think it's about half the price of this. So if you're going to just be using your cell phone, no need to spend $250. I would go with the DJI Osmo Mobile. And I think the Osmo Mobile 4 is out at this point. And so these look like different. They are USB Type C. You know, on one side it has like a 3.5 millimeter jack. All of them actually are different. So I guess you pick which one depending on what camera or phone you're using. You use this to actually hook up the gimbal to the actual camera or your phone. And this is the other piece to the GoPro mount. So this looks like the actual quick release plate. So this way you'll either mount your phone or your camera for quick release. Then you have a USB Type A to Type C connector. And this looks like the base. So yeah, this is the base. This you can screw onto the bottom. This is really light. This is like foam. So that's everything that's in there. I'll sit that over to the side. And then this can screw into the bottom. If I can get it, there we go. So you can actually mount the camera on here. Okay, that's cool. A little tripod. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing all set up, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of test footage to see what the camera looks like when it's hooked up to the gimbal.